Morning, afternoon, and evening to everyone. Hope you had a great weekend. Sorry for the delay. We had some technical issues with the charts. Everything is solved. Michael, it's been a while. Kimo, welcome. Cappy, welcome. Welcome, everyone. Thank you all for joining. Don't forget to press the like and share so that our community, that's the only way for it to grow. If you guys been following us for a while, don't forget to visit our website and keep in mind that our academy, we learn how to read the language of the market. It's Elliott Wave. All what you need to learn about Elliott Wave, it's inside that course. It's free for everyone. You're more than welcome. You just need to register and go have the course. It's 22 lessons. It covers everything you need concerning Elliott Wave, from structure to corrections to trends and examples and how to look at them. The way we look at them, we trade shapes, right? So we try to explain it in a more simpler way, how to look at it, not so subjective and to the rules, right? So try it out if you are interested to learn more. And yeah, we have our plans and pricing for the live sessions that we do every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, pre-London Eastern Time, 11:30. Okay, so we cover our watch list. We will indicate that, and any changes in the trend or what we are, which setup is playing out as of our members area. We cover most of the pairs, from USD pairs, yen pairs, pound, euro, indices, commodities, and crypto. We give different setups, different views, so that like trading, it's more letting the price showing you which direction it's going, and then you have a trading setup to follow the price. You don't try to predict the move ahead of time. You just place scenarios that usually played out in the past, and you see you want it to be to play out, and you trade one leg of that scenario, not every leg inside that scenario. If you want to play and trade every leg, that's over trading, and it will cause into losses more than gains, right? Because the market can do whatever it wants, and it can stop hunt whenever it wants. So that's what we teach in our course, with the timing, when you need to trade, why you need to trade at that timing, at that session, on the news, on the event. What do you expect? You should trade the news, you should not trade the news. Everything is taught over there in the course. That's starting for April tomorrow. Hopefully most of the members are gonna benefit, and it's gonna blow their minds how simple trading it can be if you look at it in this perspective. So if you are interested, visit us. We have the $25 a month. It has a 7-day free trial. If you would like to check it out, you will be directed into our gold membership, and you can attend and ask any kind of question concerning the setups and the live streaming. Now let's head to our weekly analysis. XRP, it was amazing. We were light here last week, and we said any break above this, let's continue looking for your buys, right? And look for buy setups. Most of my guys are in this, and this is heading up. There's no sell setup or sell or taking profit. You just add to your setup. This was a perfect buy. One of the guys in our membership took it. So We're heading up at least till $2, $2.5. Hold this, whoever is in it, and let it run. Let the price carry on. It's not coming down anytime soon. Okay, maximum worst case scenario, if you've been following us for a while, we have a missing leg right here, and when this happens and this stop is broken, this is the direction we're looking for. No sell setups, keep on buying. Any buy setup that you are familiar with or you know how to trade, go ahead and take it with proper risk management. If you are a scalper, you should target certain pips in that direction, not the opposite direction. Okay, try not to predict tops and bottoms, go follow the trend. XRP is perfect, it's pumping, there's no indication it is gonna come down or do anything. So Jose, long time, how are you? So let it run, let it go. On every buy setup, take it. ETH, this is the direction. I don't see any potential. This is forming. I see the following. This is the correction. We broke above it. We're staying above here. We're heading up. I posted my view on TradingView, so it's public. You can go and check it out. More details on our website, how to trade this and what to look for, how to join if you are not already in. If we will receive something like this into this area, that's a potential for you to buy. Direction is still to the uptrend. Okay, try to join evening. Try to join Pan, I love your 127.6. Try to join the uptrend, okay, on any dip or any kind of a correction to the downside. Potentially around these areas, we're heading up. Long term, I still see it as I saw it at the beginning of the year, till 4 or 5k at least. So it's not gonna go up straight, it will go up as you see it. These are all missing legs to the upside. As long as breaking the top, forming this one, we're heading up. Some people call them correction. I do not call them corrections. I see market moving in 3 waves. That's it. Everything is 3 waves. It's more calculated moves. It's more you know when to take profit, when to enter, when to exit, when the setup is invalid. Because 3 waves are you can measure them in fib extensions or any kind of fibs, and it's a way to know which how the wave is valid and when the wave is not valid. Now BTC, I know most of the alts are pumping, so this is gonna stay in this area for a while. So this can go back up, come back down, go up, so it's gonna be choppy, but the direction is to the upside. So if you are a day trader, wait for any dip, take it. Any dip, take it. Any familiar setup for you to buy, go ahead and take it. Direction till 70, 72 area. I posted on TradingView my view for it. There's a setup that might happen. Okay, I'm not certain or sure. We're never certain or sure about the market, but there's a setup that might play around these areas where it can dip till 53 area, 52, 53 area, and then head back up. Okay, just be careful, don't panic and start selling that Bitcoin is gonna crash and it's the end of the world. So it's just an opportunity for you to buy and move with the institutions. If you would like me to cover any chart, please post it in the chat or in our community chat. I would cover it at the end of this session. S&P 500, as we said, on any correction, buy it. On any correction, buy it. That's what we've been trading. And Nasdaq too, on any correction, buy the dip, buy the correction. We are at all-time high, yes, but you have to understand this, there's no top and there's no bottom. So try not to try not to create that fear in trading where we are at the all-time high, we should correct. Why? The trend is going. Unless if you have $5 billion and you're trading with it, then yes, you can decide when to create that correction or whatever. So so the trend is to the upside, we're still moving up, we're still correcting and heading up. So look for any buy setup with proper risk management. Okay, this whole business is all about risk management. You understand that concept, you're capable of trading any time frame. Okay, so any chart, any time frame with proper risk management, no matter how you look at the market. Okay, but you need something that's consistent, something that's giving out bias. Look for your bias. I'm not getting that, Kimo. So yeah, look for your edge, right? If that's what you're trying to say, Kimo. Look for your edge and create that edge in your trading. That, and with proper risk management, it is a hit. You will see your account growing. And always pay yourself. Keep on paying yourself. The more you pay yourself, the more you're gonna psychologically be more seeing your account growing. It's gonna help you a lot in taking these decisions. Anyways, we're in English here, Kimo. So yeah, so keep on looking for your buys. Okay, until the market prove us wrong. UK 100, hopefully you guys, whoever trade this and following us, took benefit of this move. We're still seeing any dip, buy, any dip, buy. This still has potential till the 70, till the 7k area. Till the 7k area. Okay, DXY. I was expecting a continuation for the up move, okay, but this is a more complex correction, and as you can see here, these are a lot of missing waves that has to do with something with each other. So I would wait for this to finish. Okay, it's almost, I'm expecting one more dip, and then either we're gonna break the top or at least a correction to the upside or a strong move to the upside before continuation any down move. Okay, so wait for this to finish. I think on Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken, Neil posted something in our news channel. So expected around Tuesday, Wednesday maximum for this to do something like this. That would send us to the Euro USD. I'm expecting same thing like the DXY. One more pump, potentially taking these tops up here and then correcting. If it's gonna correct before taking this is gonna be massive to the upside. But I would see this taking this out, then either continuing the down move or giving us a correction to the downside. Should you trade this? Wait till Tuesday for better direction. Okay, I basically trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, and because you would see the market what exactly it is doing. It's more the setups would reveal how they are playing out. This one, the pound, was a beautiful trade. It pumped a bit more, but it was a beautiful trade. We entered around these areas. We have them on recordings. Yes, I will show you the recordings on these ones with the JCAD as soon as we finish this. Okay, so this can continue heading down. There's no sell setup as we're looking at the market. If it needs to drop and for a better sell setup, I would love to see something like this. Okay, I would love to see something like this, or break or hold around these areas, then continuation of the down move. Okay, let's move to JCAD. I would love to show you. Last week I said looking for the buy setup to the upside, and that's why we have our live sessions that we do. Okay, this did not play out and it moved the opposite of what we were looking for, that setup, but doesn't mean that we did not trade it. On the contrary, that was a beautiful trade that we took and we identified in our live session on if I'm not mistaken, Wednesday or Thursday. I have the video right here. It was on Thursday. Should I take a sell? That's for GU. But let's start the move. Let it do an engulfing right here, retracement, and take it. That's for GU setup. And it played out on JCAD. The same thing. We identified the sell setup. Was up there. So that liquidity was. So all what I'm trying to say is it doesn't mean that if we are looking at that we will not trade the other way around. If it moves that, let the market show you the direction, right? And then act upon it. And that was the setup that we took. We identified it and we took it. It doesn't mean that you should, I'm only looking for buys. No. It's trading is not like that. There's no bias in trading. You need to know how to read the market. You need to look for specific setup to follow the market. Anyways, so hopefully was that helpful. UCAD, I'm looking for the end of this one, of this correction. It's gonna do something like this, come back down till this area and potentially a head back up. Okay, I'm looking for this buy. Does that mean I will not trade this sell? Why not? If it's possible, it has good risk to reward, why not? If it's clear on the session that I wanna trade on, it's clear to take it, why not? There's their liquidity grabs, yeah, why not? Take it. Anyways, NU, we are in a correction right here. So this correction can be complex, or it can very simply do that, come back up and then head down. So just be careful how you're trading this, okay, and know your edges, your invalid points. Okay, this I'm looking for the down move. Same thing as the XY, I'm looking for the up move. Same thing on most of the indices, I'm looking for a correction. Okay, but doesn't mean that we need to trade that correction. If it's viable, if it is at the top, if the correction is at the top, I'm expecting a down move, I will never trade that. I'll always take the second leg of a correction. I will let the correction to start and I will trade the second leg on a specific session. Hopefully it's making sense of what I'm trying to share. It's better when you look at the market like that. You will have more consistency, right? Trying not to predict the tops and trying not to predict the bottoms, or telling the market what it needs to do. So for this one, I'm looking, this is a type of a correction. This can do this, come back up and then head back down. These are liquidity areas that we should be familiar with. Trade from liquidity to liquidity areas. AU, the same thing. I'm expecting a down move after this is over. Okay, this correction is not yet over. So let us wait for this to confirm the direction, then go and trade that direction. On the higher time frame, this is indicating to the downside. Silver, I was expecting a bigger move. Okay, there's two scenarios here that can play out. This can from here do a fake out and drop till to the higher time frame. I know a lot of you trade silver. Okay, so this can do the following and drop to this liquidity area, or this can be something like this, more extended to the upside, similar to this before any drop. So just be careful how you're trading. If you are already in a long, okay, move your stop loss or pay yourself. Expect this before any down move. There's still push in the market. We'll explain it more in the live sessions. Gold, the same concept. This can go from here, taking out this liquidity, or it can do the following and then head back down. Something similar to this. Okay, trade any direction, but first let the market show you. Oil, we are in a correction. We are in between two liquidity areas. There's no trade. I explained that in our Thursday and Friday session. Okay, there's no trade around these areas. Leave it alone, let it show its hand. Try not to predict, oh it's going up, oh it's going down. Let it show its hand first. Where it is at the time being, it's dead. Leave it alone. There's a lot of pairs. USD yen, I'm looking for this before any of this. I will not tell my guys to trade this. The bigger picture is this. So most likely we're gonna touch the 112 and drop. This drop can be a correction or it can be massive, similar to this. So watch for a beautiful trade on UCAD. Pound yen, if you were following us, we said expecting a correction and that is a type of a correction that we teach in our course for us to trade this, grabbing liquidity at the top there, from liquidity to liquidity. It was a beautiful trade, and this fall we left it alone. We do not pick tops and bottoms. We don't want to pick top and bottoms. We don't want to be the heroes that called the top and called the bottom. Now, what we're expecting, this a correction or a strong move to the upside, but I do not see this taken out. This has more down move to the downside, but for the time being, if you are in a sell from these areas, this has a potential to create a double bottom around these areas. Then we'll give you a pump, then break it and continue heading down. Euro yen, we're looking, that was a liquidity grab, and we're looking for this to break the top till one, same thing as USD yen, break before any down move. Should we anticipate this? No. You should be in a long? Yes, why not? But just be careful, this will be taken out. As long as we're staying above it, we should do this. If we come back inside, this is the direction that we're anticipating. Let the market show you the hand. Create a setup. JCAD, still more down to go. Still more down to go. This low has been taken out. I'm anticipating something like this correction and a continuation of the down move. So hopefully you benefited from this analysis and the education that we gave out and the information. And thank you all for joining. Okay, and don't forget to visit our website if you like how we look at the market. We have a 7-day free trial. You're more than welcome to come and check us out in our live sessions. I love the way how you're starting to look at the market, Danny. XLM, I'm looking, no, that's storage. I'm looking, oh man, you don't need to, I don't need to give my opinion on this. Watch this, might break and continue heading up. Wait for this to complete. Should know these by now. OXT. I know, right? He's gonna give me a whole OXT. Yes, sir, I will. OXT is looking more to the upside, Danny, to complete something like this. I don't know if there is a buy setup. You should know better than me. You're working on your you're more than welcome, Michael. You're more than welcome. Thank you for attending. Let's see you more in the chat, man. Ooh, XLM looks. XLM is looking for something like this before any continuation of the up move. Wait for this to finish. That's an opportunity to continue heading up. I won't touch one. This one, same thing as where's this? Same thing as ADA, the same thing. Yes, it looks more to the upside, but there's no buy setup. I will not touch it. This can fake out and do this for the next week. That's what it's been doing this whole week. Let it trend. Trade stuff that's trending. Do not try to anticipate this when it's gonna move. Where is it? YouTube. So LRC is the same concept, right? So wait for it to start moving. Is it too late? You will be too late to enter. It's never too late. You have, that's your power. You can choose a time frame to enter right here with decent risk to reward. If you don't know how, that means you're not trading. LRC. Hopefully I covered most of the stuff, Danny. Thank you for attending. Well, are you thinking to short, Cosman? Or thinking to take profit? If you're looking to short, I won't advise you to short. If you're looking to take profit, it still has more up. Move your stop to a decent position, or pay yourself a bit and let the rest move up. On lower time frame, I would say on any dip, take it. That's what I would do. Wait for the dip. Something that's gonna nudge the market down. I know Neil said we have a lot of earnings coming up this week and next week. So expect something to nudge it down. You're in the course, right, for this coming week? Exactly. I will explain all of these. Neil is saying BA. Love the song. Where's BA? Yes, sir. I know. More up to the upside. It will create these. It will break these to the top. Is it possible for it to do this? That's an opportunity to buy. Even higher. Anything else, guys? All right. Thank you all for attending. Have a beautiful week. Don't forget to press the like and visit our website, and trade safe.